Welcome guys, this is RichDavid TV. This is a channel that shows you how to earn money with the crypto space. So there's a lot of money in the crypto space. So this channel shows you how to earn money and create financial freedom with the crypto space. So in this video I'm going to show you how to trade or swap or exchange any TRON protocol coin, like any coin compatible with TRON that was built on the TRON blockchain. I'm going to show you how to trade it on the JustSwap on any DApps browser that is compatible with TRON mainnet. So if you have any wallet like now I'm using TRON wallet for this, so you can use TRON any TRON Pro, any compatible wallet that has the apps with it, that is compatible with the TRON mainnet. So what you have to do, you go to the apps browser, you just search on JustSwap.io, JustSwap.io. So make sure it's JustSwap.io you are using, JustSwap.io. So we are now on the TRON, on the JustSwap net. So this wallet I'm using just for the tutorial. The wallet I wanted to use has been used to swap. So I just want to show, I'm just using this wallet to show new users how to get started with JustSwap. So that's why I'm not using my main wallet. So let's say what I want to swap a BROG. So what you do, you see the TRX, because this is this TRON wallet is compatible with the TRON protocol net. So once you are using JustSwap, the first thing they'll show you there is the TRX. So if you want to change it, just tap on the TRX, and share the name or scroll down to choose any coin you want to swap or exchange or trade. So this one I want to use BROG. So BROG. So I have 50 BROG. So I want to swap or trade or exchange my BROG to TRX, like TRON. So to always complete a successful transaction on JustSwap, you need to have like a minimum of 1 or 2 TRX to cover the fee. So what I will do, I will type on the max because I want to exchange, I want to trade all. So I will receive 90.618007 TRX. So what you need to do first, you need to approve. Tap on approve. So confirm, and okay. So they just wait for it to be confirmed. So it has been confirmed. Now I will have to swap it. So that is it. So it's as simple as that. So I will have to confirm. So before I have 4 TRX. Now I have 23 TRX. So let me go to my wallet. So let's refresh this, and you see, very easy, simple. So 23 TRX. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe and on the notification bell, because I'm going to be getting updates on how to make money on the crypto space. There's a lot of money on the crypto space, so they are going to get updates, and anytime I post new videos, you are going to be alerted, so you don't miss anything. So subscribe. This is RichDavid TV. Let's make money with the crypto space.